AI algorithms are at work behind the scenes. Let's unravel the mystery of how they formed predictions into smaller, more manageable chunks. Now, things are about to get a little more complex, but bear with me. Support vector machines, or SVMs, are all about finding the perfect dividing line, or, in more technical terms, a hyperplane, between different categories of data. Think of it like this. You've got a bunch of images of cats and dogs all mixed up. An SVM algorithm would look at all those images, analyze their features, and try to draw a line that separates the cat images from the dog images with the highest possible accuracy. But here's what's really cool about SVMs. They're not limited to just two categories. They can handle multiple categories and even work with really complex, high-dimensional data. This makes them super versatile for things like image recognition, natural language processing, and even detecting credit card fraud. Alright, let's talk about grouping things together. K-means clustering is an algorithm that automatically organizes data points into clusters based on their similarities. It's like sorting your sock drawer, but instead of socks, we're talking about massive text or audio. The network then processes that data through its layers of neurons, learning to recognize patterns and make connections. As it learns, it adjusts the strength of the connections between neurons, getting better and better at its task. This is what powers things like self-driving cars, facial recognition software, and even those eerily accurate language models that can generate human-quality text. Neural networks are incredibly powerful, and we're only just beginning to scratch the surface of what they're capable of. So, there you have it, a crash course in some of the most common AI algorithms out there. We've covered a lot of ground, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of AI is constantly evolving, with new algorithms and techniques emerging all the time. But the most important thing is to stay curious. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking questions about the technology that's shaping our world. And hey, if you're hungry for more AI content, hit me up in the comments below. What algorithms are you curious about? Let me know and I'll make it happen. That's it for this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next AI adventure. Peace out. Host curious about a specific AI topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and we'll deliver a video on it within the next 6 hours. Host, thanks for joining us on this journey into AI algorithms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.